Hi guys, this is Organic Nomenclature and we are going to be naming acyl chlorides. So, acyl chlorides are derivatives of carboxylic acids in which the OH group has been replaced by a Cl group. So, the general formula of acyl chlorides would be RCOCl, with the COCl carbon atom being the first carbon atom when we number the carbon chain. So, the numbering is fixed, and the general formula based on the number of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and chlorine atoms would be CnH2n plus 1 COCl. So, in order to name these compounds, we would have the name for the first compound in the homologous series, which would be HCOCl. This would be called methanoyl. Metha and METHANOYL, methanoyl chloride. The second compound in this homologous series would be CH3COCl. So now we have two carbon atoms, so this would be labeled as ethanoyl chloride. The third compound in the homologous series would be CH3CH2 COCl, and having three carbon atoms, this would be labeled as propanoyl chloride. Introducing substitute groups on our acyl chlorides, we would have CH3 CH with an OH group, the OH group being called hydroxy. This compound would be called 2 hydroxy propanoyl chloride. If instead of hydroxy we have an OH group, sorry, not the OH group, the NO2 group placed here. So the numbering would be 1, 2, and 3, and this would be called 2 nitro propanoyl chloride. Continuing naming of these compounds, we would have multiple substitute group present on the same compound. So the compound is now CH3, CH, C, CH, COCl. We will introduce a methyl group, a bromo group, a hydroxy group, and a nitro group together. So the numbering is fixed, being 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the name of this compound will be based on the alphabetical preference of the substitute group. So the name would be 3-bromo, since B comes before any of the other names of the substitute groups, followed by hydroxy, which would be again 3 hydroxy, followed by methyl at the second position. So 2 methyl, and the last substitute group being at the fourth position, and the group being nitro, and the parent compound having 5 carbon atoms, so pentanoyl chloride. And this is how acyl chlorides are named.